Sun in Aries in the second house. Natal chart, astrology. Have you ever felt like your confidence grows when you're building something of your own? Maybe you've always wanted to earn your own money, start your own business, or prove to yourself that you can create security through your own efforts. If you have the Sun in Aries in the second house, this placement may describe an important part of your life's journey. Let's break it down. The planet. The Sun. In astrology, the Sun represents your core identity, your vitality, your purpose, and the qualities you're meant to develop throughout your lifetime. It reflects where you naturally want to shine and how you express your authentic self. The sign. Aries. Aries is the first sign of the Zodiac and is ruled by Mars. It represents courage, initiative, independence, confidence, and the willingness to take risks. Aries thrives when it can act on its own ideas instead of waiting for permission. Its greatest strength is fearless action. Its greatest challenge is acting too quickly without considering the long-term consequences. The house. The second house. The second house is the house of values. It governs your finances, personal resources, possessions, talents, self-worth, and the things that provide stability in your life. While many people think this house is only about money, it's actually about what you value and how those values shape your relationship with the material world. Putting it all together. When the Sun is in Aries in the second house, your identity is closely tied to developing independence through your own talents and resources. You're likely to feel most confident when you're earning what you have through your own efforts. Rather than relying on others, you often prefer creating opportunities for yourself. Many people with this placement enjoy being self-employed, starting businesses, freelancing, or pursuing careers where they have the freedom to make their own decisions. Financial independence isn't just practical for you. It can become part of your sense of identity. You're motivated by the challenge of building something that belongs to you. Your power. Your greatest strength is your ability to create value through initiative. You don't always wait for opportunities, you often create them. You're naturally resourceful and may discover that taking calculated risks opens doors that others hesitate to walk through. This placement also gives you determination. Once you believe in something, you're often willing to work hard to turn your ideas into tangible results. Your challenge. One lesson with this placement is learning the difference between confidence and impulsiveness. Aries enjoys quick action, but the second house benefits from patience and long-term planning. You may sometimes make financial decisions based on excitement rather than careful consideration. Another challenge is connecting your self-worth too closely to your achievements or income. If success becomes the only measure of your value, setbacks can feel more personal than they truly are. Remember, your worth isn't determined by your bank account or your latest accomplishment. Your evolution. As this placement matures, you learn that lasting security comes from balancing courage with wisdom. Instead of chasing every opportunity, you begin choosing the ones that truly align with your values. You discover that real wealth isn't just about money. It's also about confidence, skills, integrity, and the ability to create opportunities wherever you go. Your independence becomes less about proving yourself and more about expressing your authentic gifts. Reflection. Questions. If you have Sun in Aries in the second house, ask yourself, do you trust your talents enough to invest in them? Are your financial decisions driven by your values or by impulse? And what unique gifts do you possess that could become a source of both purpose and prosperity? These are questions that can help you better understand the deeper meaning of this placement. Remember, no single placement tells your whole story. The rest of your birth chart, including your moon, rising sign, planetary aspects, and other house placements, adds important layers to how this energy is expressed. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn about every planet, sign, and house combination, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. If you have Sun in Aries in the second house, I'd love to hear your experience. Share it in the comments below and let others know how this placement has shown up in your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.